Hi, my name is Melanie Forehand and I teach Spanish at Vanderbilt University. In this video, I will discuss how to use the platform Voyant tools as a pre-reading activity. My goal with this activity is to reduce the frustration and confusion that many early learners feel when they face a literary text. By providing students with data from the text, they are more easily able to identify key vocabulary terms and make predictions about the tone and style of the work. This, I have found, helps students to reduce their cognitive load when they're reading in a foreign language, and it also aids with their comprehension. To start, the text will need to be uploaded to the free online platform voyanttools.org. If your classroom doesn't have internet, or if you prefer your students to work with a hard copy, or if you have a student that needs adapted resources, you may complete this uploading phase ahead of time and print out the results for your class. Once the text is entered into the program and it generates the results, students then use the attached worksheet to complete their preliminary analysis. First, students identify the 10 most frequent terms in the text. I next ask them to define those words, which gives them a glossary for when they start to read the work. Next, I ask the students to categorize the most frequent terms according to setting, characters, and action. You could use different categories depending on your text. This allows students to identify connections between specific vocabulary terms in a way that gives them additional context before they start reading. Students then use the data from Voyant tools to think about the tone and structure of the text. As part of their pre-reading activities, the students make inferences about the plot or the tone using the keywords that they have already identified. It is also helpful to invite students to click on key words so that they are mapped to the right of the screen. When they click on a word, it will generate a graph that shows where the words occur in the text. You can either invite students to find their own patterns, or you can indicate which words you would like for them to click on. With this activity, you can ask students to make specific inferences based on where the words fall. So here, for example, the words are alternating, and that might indicate either dialogue or that they are not working together.